So what is it that you're praising? Like, sometimes you need to understand that people who make money have the right idea to change your life, but people who not making money, they don't have the right idea to change your life. You understand? So sometimes don't expose yourself to people that you are stupid. You need to just keep quiet and sit down and relax. If you feel like people are gamblers, you relax, man. How can you call a person gambler when he's making money, not losing money? Stupid fellas anyway. So at the end of the day, just sit down and relax. Okasi jekeselo. That's one advice I'll tell you. I can never come into someone's life and tell you blah blah blah, man. You're talking to a wrong person here. Now I adjust, bruh. If it's time for me to up my game, I up my game for Mula, bruh. But if you wanna sit there and be poor forever, go ahead, nada. I come from a bad background, so making money makes sense, even if it's gambling, you make money. That's all. So in life we have stupid people which you can never learn. Some, even me, to other people, I'm stupid if I say certain things and go off them. That is why I like keeping quiet. Because imagine when Andrew talking and then I'll be like, man, you're talking shit. What do I know, man? Because I don't even have a billion. When people with billions talk, sit down and relax. You don't know anything when I got 1 million. On top. So when people with millions talk, you relax and listen to them. Because unale 100,000. If unale zero, awenalo moto 100 ranta, you just have to listen to that person because you got none. And then once you listen, remember they say listening is a skill, which everyone can always get because your ears are working. Even someone can get that, man. Can actually make his own understanding. We can't say he listens, but he can understand. And when he understands, he makes sure that he get it correct. That is why you find that when someone who's dead is working a proper job, which is like, man, like someone who can hear doesn't even, is not even there until. So problem you feel like you're over the moon, and it will give you a problem. Until it will give you a problem. So that's one advice I'll advise you. It doesn't matter what is it that you do into the market. At least if you're making money, then you're making sense to the people. So I came across a lot of people saying, I'm a technical trader, saying fundamental, it's a gambling, right? And until I realized that fundamental, it's gambling if you don't know the direction. You're just guessing, man. Do you know, last year, I only lost one CPI. Last year. This year, I haven't lost NFP and CPI. I'm just telling you, by this year, we are starting. The other one, if I kill it both, what are you going to say? Are you going to still say it's gambling? Man, if you have a strategy, it's not. It's only gambling if you're just saying, man, my gods will help me here. I don't say my gods, but I will tell you that this thing will sell here because of this certain things and this certain thing. I have studied the market, man. Like, I don't have 9 years in the game, but the things that I have studied, like I've been looking at the market every day. Imagine now I have like the whole fucking 13 days looking at the market. And I'm telling you, I'm going to be looking at the market until the year ends. There's no day that I won't look at the market unless if there's something that's gonna happen to me. So people like saying, this thing, you don't work 24 hours. Here I work 24 hours, Currently I'm looking at the market. I'm not gonna stop now. I have time that I start looking at the market. Understand? So the problem is people feel like every technical trader now is trading fundamental. Your biggest mentors, which they were the technical kings, man. I can say I learned a lot from them. They're in fundamental, but it's like they're newbies here. You know why? Because they said it's gambling. I never said it's gambling. I went and learned what is fundamental and how does fundamental goes and what is. I just realized that fundamental is just catalyst to technical, man. It finished technical's journey on a short period of time. If you can go to Nasdaq, Nasdaq couldn't retest on that certain zone if it was in fundamental. So it needed fundamental in order for it to retest. Like this, you need to adjust. But the problem, like I told you guys, I feel like, I can't count my cycle. My cycle is doing best and it's coming very hard. I'm telling you, it's doing best and it's coming very hard. Understand? But there is no new mentor that will, unless if you have a mentor side by side, you're gonna make it. You understand? I mean, like side by side. But there is no new student that will make it like I did. I don't see no one, like I did. I'm talking about someone who has his own territory into the market but never actually benefit from other people. I don't benefit from other mentors. I have my own territory and my group. For us, everyone has its own knowledge and we learn from each other. Not everyone learning from other people. Understand? So all I'm saying is, I don't see anyone that will come like I came. No one. Because I see how you guys think. I didn't think like that. You're gonna come in the game, but you're gonna be having me by your side. I want someone who will come here and challenge me, but he didn't come in the game without me. Because once you draw that trend line, I'll see it's me there. I don't need you to tell me that I taught you how to trade. Draw two things, trend line and a zone. I'll tell you, bruh, that's me there. Because there's no way, man, you can't know your recipe. You understand? So the problem about you guys is you don't want to listen. When if I tell you 2019 or 2020, I joined Dr. Martin's live, I was broke. And then he said certain 2 apps. Then I learned those apps and made a lot of cash from those apps. You just have to say one word that will change my life. When I come to every live, I always say a lot of things. You understand? I always say a lot of things. But you guys never cater to go and learn those things. Understand? If I come here and tell you this and this and this is working, you guys don't want to learn. About times, about things, you don't want to learn anything. Buyers were wrong. Buyers were wrong because they were buying according to, I don't know which strategy, but when you use pure price action, you need to know. Pure price action is like a song. You can never just start a song by the ending part. You need to start by the intro and go to the conclusion. So we were on the body, but the track says you need to close down and go and retest. But the person will come then say buy. Willy or sharper. Fundamentally, if you don't know what you're doing. And I said, at the end of the day, they were correct, but the entry point was wrong, and they blew their account. I'm not talking about the current. The real Makoya. Makoya berry. It's a record. It's a trader nas.